It's a 2017 Honda Civic sedan. Get more mileage out of every drive with this Civic. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, air conditioning, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Consumer Reports explains the Civic's ride is unusually refined for a compact car. The suspension keeps the car steady and composed overall but the nastiest bumps. Braking is responsive and confident during panic stops. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.